Got this little DX394 as a gift to myself. I'm not going to go through the features, the buttons, the operation, but we'll do that at a later date. I want to try it out on some of the different bands. Just made a long wire around the house loaded. Just want to see what it's capable of out of indoor antenna. And if it works well or works good enough, I may contemplate an MLA 30 plus indoor loop antenna. So anyways, let me start scanning, receiving, and we'll see what happens here. What we can pick up. What you might be able to pick up if you get one. DX394 in the mail. No antenna hooked up to it. I'll pick up the radio station really loud. A little bit distorted. 3/4 of a mile across the river, so go figure. Okay, I got 60 feet of 20 gauge speaker wire. I split down the middle. That gave me 120 feet. I wound this coil. I just got this tucked up by my post on the headboard. And then I got wire going up around and up there on top the curtain rod. I got a 3/4 inch by 1.5 2 inch wood slab. And about 16 inches of winding on that. And then back over here, back down to that shelf, and about 10 feet to the radio or receiver.
Israel. Yo creo que ese grupo va a ser tiempo sin ferrocarril, porque hay algunos que son interesantes. De Argentina está bueno. Está bueno. Ahora, la pregunta que yo tengo para hacer, porque en el grupo C solamente hay 3 grupos, perdón, en el fútbol femenino solamente hay 3 grupos. ¿Esperaba la FIFA de ese mundial femenino? Al final, no, pero es que, claro, estoy de acuerdo contigo, pero eso fue porque el mundial lo llevaron hasta Oceanía. Si ese mundial hubiera sido en Estados Unidos, ya todos sabemos que no cambian la cosa.
No idea what this is. Sounds Spanish, but it's coming in quite strong.
Indocumentados, pero esa no es la única razón, como explica César Contreras.
La cancelación de la ley SD4 y la partida del crudo invierno que hasta hace algunas semanas se vivía en la frontera son algunos de los factores que han provocado.
Not coming in too well, but you can hear it.
Israel. Yo creo que ese grupo va a ser tiempo sin ferrocarril, porque hay algunos que son interesantes. De Argentina está bueno. Está bueno. Ahora, la pregunta que yo tengo para hacer, porque en el grupo C solamente hay 3 grupos, perdón, en el fútbol femenino solamente hay 3 grupos. ¿Esperaba la FIFA de ese mundial femenino? Al final, no, pero es que, claro, estoy de acuerdo contigo, pero eso fue porque el mundial lo llevaron hasta Oceanía. Si ese mundial hubiera sido en Estados Unidos, ya todos sabemos que no cambian la cosa.
No idea what this is. Sounds Spanish, but it's coming in quite strong. Not as strong, but it's coming in. Turn the RF gain down and the volume up a little bit. Turn the RF gain up too high, all you do is amplify white noise. A little bit scratchy, but picking up the CB band. I believe that's channel 19, the truckers. Truck drivers running a linear amplifier, which is totally illegal, but they do it. Just a guy in there booming right up, echo mic and all that crap. I think that's what it's called. And of course, I start.
Yeah, good evening to you, 7-Eleven around Vermont, man. Good evening. How you got him up there, Gregor?
Talking to somebody in Vermont. Ain't me. I'm on a receiver. I don't do the CB band.
Yeah, my hat's off to you, man. A great big snowstorm. Well, we in bust spring down here, man. It's a little chilly today, but yeah, I think it's gonna start heating up from this point on. That's for sure. Never appreciate the shout, man. Take care around Vermont. You're out playing BYU go.
What the hell is that? Vans in and out on me on 80. Sounded like some guy just hacking up a lung as I came across it.
Coming aboard, Mike. You take care and enjoy the rest of the evening. What's up today? Final station, final comment. Call BG12.
On lower sideband mode, fine-tuned straight up on 0. RF gain just barely on. Volume just barely on. Great little receiver. I probably only got 75 feet of wire wrapped around the room, and about 50 of it is wrapped around a, you're gonna laugh, 1x2 piece of wooden strip about 50 feet in a winding that's maybe 14 to 16 inches long above my curtain rods, so it holds in place. And yeah, got the wire going out the back about 10 feet up to a window, and then about 5 feet down to my bedpost, across the other bedpost, down around the bottom of the bed, underneath the box spring, and tied to one of the legs. So, like I said, maybe only 70 feet of wire, 80 feet of wire, something like that, wrapped around my bedroom, because I can't have anything outdoors. If I back that RF gain down, we can make the signal disappear. Pull it a little bit so it pulls the station up out of the noise. If I go too far, go to the white noise pickup, we're only amplifying white noise. So we only need it enough just to pick up the station. With my indoor antenna, I'm not being able to pick up the CW bulletins that much. Just fading in and out. Damn it. Whole lot of QSB. Not enough to make out any good code.
What, you lose your truck out there? Yep. You need to keep drop load up. No problem. Get some software on you. Or maybe not. Cool. This is my job. Go for it. Army grocery store. I missed Popeye over there today. She didn't beat me up, but she'd already got freaked out all the very old rat, so she beat me there. Did have lunch with Dana, another fellow rooster. Had lunch with him today. It's always a grand time to get together. Perpetrate a lot of crazy.
No idea what the hell that is. Sounds like high-speed code, but it's out of band. That makes no sense to me. That's just military.
Catholic Charities USA, Episcopal Church,
A lot of QSB, which means fading on this.
And they're under complete threat. Even if they get across this side, they are still under threat. And I think a good movie that...
No ícone rádio WLC. Olhe para baixo e procure pelo episódio intitulado O que foi realmente pregado na cruz. Aprenda as verdades. Isso pode te surpreender, mas é maravilhoso. E além do mais, é...
Tipo, circuito Brasil, que agora quer até de ser autorizados. E praticamente uma isso muito chequen los estados demandantes.